Hashtag together, Bekeli Beke. Welcome to the T Kasi Business Workshop. We're coming to you live this morning from Thohoyandou, and we are talking about compliance management. A great idea that is poorly presented sounds like a poor idea. When you have an opportunity to pitch your business, there are 4 questions that your pitch should answer. What problem are you solving? What is your unique selling point? What is your story? What do you need?
My name is Makari Awasha Alun.
My name is Anezani Chiskule.
It's as Exhibit Tourism and Recreation Agency.
My name is Shiro Warahopa.
Basically does tea is one of the most beautiful works seen being done by an organization that really seeks to uplift small business owners. So we came on board as a field partner and said, let us take this little bit of a burden off you guys as an organization because you do so well.
When I started this journey, my goal was very clear. My goal was that I want to create products that are going to compete comfortably alongside the multinationals. So that means that my branding had to be on par. It meant that the product had to go through the necessary standards to ensure that it's able to be listed with other products.
What is compliance management? It's the processes that you put in place to ensure that your organization complies with relevant laws, regulations, or internal policies. Now the question is, what is it that you need to comply with from township perspective?
So when the opportunity comes, you need to be ready. And how do you become ready? You need to be compliant. There's many instances where we've had small businesses and opportunities here, they don't have a tax clearance.
And someone taught me something. Someone said to me, when you are in a filling station, make sure you don't only run as a dealer, you also own the property.
So I like always to be the first. I said, look, I've got a very beautiful shop here. But vendor people there at home, we don't have such beautiful things. I said, I must go and get a land and build a garage at home. There's no use of having things in deep roof and protect land, while my people are still buying through the window.
It's not an easy journey, but it's a mindset. You win it here and you lose it here.
The winner of the pitching competition right here in Thohoyandou is Sishiro Hopa from Tosh Detergents.
So this is really going to our branding and it's going to our equipment. We only have one machine and the supply demand is really crazy. So I'm very, very much thankful because I can soon again.
We have come to the end of our program. We just want to say to you, thank you, thank you, thank you.